The irresistible rainbow bracelet is here. First, use the opening ring to connect the lobster button. Insert the seed bead and lobster button. Rotate all the beads. Make 3 knots. Go around.
Creating beauty all day long. Oh, the beauty.
Insert the seed bead in this order. Pass the seed bead. Pass the second bead. Or add the same order of beads. The same stringing method as before. Continue to repeat and string down a color. Keep doing it to the appropriate length. Add the seed bead and the extension chain at the end. It will go through 3 seed bead. You can cut it later. Thanks for watching. Bye.